Alright guys, back again. Do-it-yourself water misting cooling system. Kamali, some Chinese brand, but they show like trampolines and gardens and stuff. So I think I got this super cheap. Not sure what they sell for online, but I'm not sponsored. I'm not trying to make money off you. So here's what it is. You get like 30 feet of this hose, which is pretty awesome. It's good. Seems like decent quality hose. It comes with this little cutting tool. You can cut it any size. I'll show you what it looks like working. See how cool that is. You see the mist? Super fine mist. It's covering like half my yard. Very nice. Really like that. Watering blueberry bush, all the raspberries, and partially my grass. Now I'm thinking about, might even install this all the way around my yard. Just put it in and see what happens. Like instead of underground sprinkling, I'll just point it on the border and I'll try to like angle them inwards, see if I can water my entire yard with these things all hooked to one. So you got one hose connection. Comes with all that though. You get the hose connection, silicone washers, adapters. I didn't need any of that tape, but you get it, pipe dope. You get like I think 15 of these. I already used 2 out of the spec. 2 or 3 out of here for this because use one whole pack and then 2 extras to get all that. I wanted some extra through here. Now I have to decide whether I want it in the old garden or I want to have it all around my front yard. Figure it out. All right, thanks for joining me. Have a good day.